beard struggle, it's one of the best products I've used, hands down. My beard has definitely come in a lot thicker. So I recommend buying this. If you don't, that's up to you. But I recommend buying it. This is what I have here. I have pretty much everything that they sell except for like the, some of the, the scissors and stuff like that, which I'm eventually going to get anyway. This is what I started out with. It's the Ultimate Kit, and I don't have my comb in here. It's in one of my pants pockets. But I would always recommend, if you're going to do anything, I would definitely get the Viking Sea mineral oil. This is my beard's come in really thick. You got your scruff balm from when you're first starting out. I would recommend using this, especially if you're just starting out with your beard. I would definitely recommend. And then once it gets a little bit longer, I know right now mine's not very long. It's kind of I trimmed it up a little bit, get the split ends out of it, and but I'm still using my Gentleman's Scruff Balm. I can't wait to get my new order in, to get the ones that don't have these little labels on them like this. I'm about to wash my beard here in a little bit since it's been a few days, but I really enjoy the Odin's Virtue for me. But also, if you do not have in your possession, if you do not have the straightener, I would recommend getting this. I know they're back order right now. This is a great item to have, especially and especially even like the brush itself. I use this after I get out of the shower because I'm not straightening my beard every time I do it. But I really recommend it. The products are great, man. I mean, I couldn't even tell you exactly everything, but I enjoy them. I've used a bunch of other ones. I actually threw out my Scotch Porter that I was using, and it just wasn't what after I got this. The smell and just the product in general. I mean, the only thing that I could say is I wish that the balm had a little bit more hold to it, so when you styled your beard. Sorry about that, guys. I'm drinking beer. Just a little bit more hold to it when you styled your